third generation, so my grandparents obviously had dry cleaners. Mum and Dad owned it for 25 years, and my husband and I bought the business probably about 2.5 years ago, so going great. Previously we had the top loaders, which are obviously quite old and they were a lot smaller, so we've upgraded to the front loaders. They're 9 kilos, had great replies from our customers and great response in the community as well.
I do know that you're one of our Capital Plus customers as well.
Correct.
So our Capital Plus being our rental plan, where you have a monthly payment which includes breakdown service. What was the reason that you chose to be part of the Capital Plus?
It was convenient from a business point of view. It was convenient for us to pay it off and pay by the month as well.
Yeah.
A definite big plus for us is the maintenance that's included in that Capital Plus program, and it was justifiable for us. So you know, not only do we get to refresh the business, upgrade our machines, but it's an affordability as well.
How's it been dealing with our Richard J Group?
Oh, Richard J have been fantastic. Our machines were starting to need to upgrade anyway, and it was just a perfect timing that Fiona contacted Narelle, and she came in, she made it all very easy, measured everything up, very thorough in explaining everything to us. So there was not a lot of questions we had because she was quite thorough. The whole thing just flowed so nicely coming from a customer point of view. The install came, the machines arrived, everything went according to plan.
Would you recommend Richard J?
Oh, definitely. I'm really, really happy.
Good luck with the business as it goes forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.